knows you don't have to be like everybody. It's a broad road, be careful who you're following. I'm so in love with what you done in my life. There's no way I think I ever could go back again. God knows you don't have to be like everybody. It's a broad road, be careful who you're following. I'm so in love with what you done in my life. There's no way I think I ever could go back again.
Woke up this morning with a song on my head. Had to sing a little tune as I roll out of bed. Yo, here I go.
Here I go.
Walked outside, what a beautiful day. Sun shining in the sky, birds singing away. Yo, here I go.
Here I go.
Got me feeling like you.
So check it out, guys, it's halfway done. Here's the spring over lift with the stock wheels and tires. And here it is with the scalers from Duratrax on it. That looks pretty awesome. I wanted some more scale tires for this thing because it's a really scale looking rig. So I think these are going to work just great. So I'm going to finish up getting the other two put on the other side, and then we'll go take it for a trail ride.
Ride on the Saturday night, yo, here I go.
Here I go.
Got me feeling like you.
Alright guys, so we're not going to be able to do too long of a trail run tonight because it's getting dark. It's like 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark, but we'll see what we can do. Check out these new tires on here. So if you guys seen the last video, I had a heck of a time getting up this hill. Rolled it over a couple of times with the stock tires. Let's see how the scalers do. I love Duratrax tires, so I bet these aren't going to disappoint. This is always a hard area right there. It kind of kicks you sideways. So that was definitely a lot easier than with the stock tires. I had to hit that a bunch of times with the stock ones trying to get it. These definitely aren't the most aggressive tires Duratrax makes. As the name implies, they're more of a scale tread pattern, scale looking tire, which I wanted for this rig. So I've got enough rigs with big meaty digger tires on it. This will be something different, and these will do real good on the rocks, I have a feeling. Plus they need ran a little bit to get that mold release compound off of them. That makes them kind of slippery until they get ran in a little bit. This is such a nice rig now, guys, with these scaler tires and the spring over lift kit. Let's see how far we can get up this tree root right here. It's super steep. I'm not expecting much, but we'll just see. And that's definitely respectable considering it's raining and wet right now. Let's go see how it climbs the first section of rocks over here. It was able to make it up with the stock tires, and these should do even better. This is normally a pretty good test for any trail rig right here. You always get that rear tire kind of caught right in there with longer wheelbase rigs like this. Going right up it though. That's the part that just blows me away, that the stock tires made it up that. And of course these had no problem. That right there is pretty tough. and you can see you're at like already almost probably a 35-degree angle right here, and then you keep going up steeper, steeper, and it just breaks over and barely doesn't drag the axle. Yeah, this thing turned out just how I wanted it to, guys. I don't foresee doing any more mods to this thing in the near future, because this is what I had planned for this thing all along. I had the wheels printing before the vehicle even arrived, ordered the tires right after I got the rig, and I did that last time too with the stock tires. See if I can get it down. Got it. I don't like rolling this thing over just because it's so scale and it's got a bunch of nice details and stuff. I'm trying to keep it intact as much as I can. This is a pretty sharp corner right here. We'll see how it makes it. Probably have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to hit it again. That's hard for most of my 10th scale rigs, let alone this thing, which is even bigger, being 6th scale. These things are doing great in the rocks, even being super wet like this. I might leave that additional leaf spring in here for now. It doesn't seem to be doing too bad. I mean, it's a little stiff, but it's fine. More flex isn't always the best on every terrain. Sometimes you need more weight on one tire than another.
What can happen today? I just take it as it comes with a smile on my face. Yo, and here I go. Got joy in my heart, love on my mind. Good Lord, woke me up one more time. Yo, here I go.
Here I go.
Got me feeling like